Hey everybody, this is Shane from Lexus of North Hills. Today I am showing you the all-new 2021 ES 250. This car comes with your standard safety system plus 2.5, which includes your lane departure alert, your blind spot monitor, pre-collision system, and all your other safety features. This car also comes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. That way you can plug in your phone, shows up right on that screen in the center. Still have a spacious front seat on the driver's side, passenger side. Come here to the back. Still have all your space in the back seat for all your passengers.